Life and time are the best teachers. Life teaches us the use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Don't allow your wounds to transform you into someone you are not. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how slow, even if that someone is yourself. Don't change yourself to win someone's heart. Stay true, and you'll find someone who likes you for being you. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Calmness is a human superpower. The ability to not overreact or take things personally keeps your mind clear and your heart at peace. Don't start your day with the broken pieces of yesterday. Every day is a fresh start. Each new day is a new beginning. Every morning we wake up is the first day of our new life. If you want to achieve success, make your move in silence. Finally, your success will break that silence. The day your work becomes more important than your mood, no one can stop you from being successful. If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. To love someone who doesn't love you is like shaking a tree to make the dewdrops fall. Look backward with satisfaction and look forward with confidence. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. The past cannot be changed, forgotten, edited, or erased. It can only be accepted. In the moment of crisis, the wise build bridges, the foolish build dams. Never be so kind. You forget to be clever, and never be so clever. You forget to be kind. Left-handed people are more likely to succeed in leadership positions. Your walking style reveals a lot about your personality. If you do this, she will do anything to be your woman. Don't make yourself too available for her and then see the result. Lack of sleep and irregular sleeping pattern can lead to premature death. People think a soulmate is your perfect fit, and that's what everyone wants. But a true soulmate is a mirror. The person who shows you everything that is holding you back. The person who brings you to your own attention so you can change your life. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down, and make sure to check out our next video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share,